overhand weave again. Turn left to underhand weave, right extension, left extension, open it up, choke the poi again, bring it into the underhand buzzsaw, extension right from the buzzsaw, then back in, extension left from the buzzsaw, then back in, right from the buzzsaw, back in, left from the buzzsaw, back in. Now, bring the right one over the top. Now you have your 2 circles here. And now bring your left over the top. Now bring your left across the bottom. Bring your right across the bottom. Bring your right across the top. Left across the top. Left across the bottom. Right across the bottom. Right across the top. Left across the top. Now you're in an overhand buzzsaw on your right hand side. And then we're going to plane shift it down, make it horizontal. So bring it down on your right arm, and we're going to be in a counterclockwise horizontal buzzsaw. Turn to the left, turn to the left, turn to the left. And then go into the counterclockwise corkscrew, so it's short poi like this on the inside plane. Boom, boom, boom. And then separate it. And then back together. And separate it. And bring it back together. And separate it. And bring it back together. Separate it. Now turn to the left with it while it's separated. And then come back to your front, bring it back together, and now plane shift it up as you bring it, as you make it long poi, the full length pinwheel. And then we're gonna do a giant, giant pinwheel, but what I meant was we'll do a swivel, counterclockwise, bum, 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 and then go into chasing the sun, chase the sun again, and again, and again, and now we're going to come up over the top and come into your buzzsaw again here on the left-hand side, and do a little back bend and kick if you like, and open it up, sweep back, come to underhand here, underhand weave, make it big on the right, big on the left, big on the right, big on the left, extension right, extension left, extension right, back to underhand weave, turn left to counterclockwise pinwheel, extension, regular size, extension, regular size, extension, regular size. Now, sync up the timing and move to your left. Okay, we're gonna go big 3 times, and as we do, we're gonna move to the right, 1, 2, and 3, and then down and stall to the right, change direction, and now clockwise. And now we're still in together time, we're gonna go big and move to the left, so 1, and 2, and 3, and down, left, stall, kick, change direction, and big to the right, 2, 3, so 1, and 2, and 3, down and stall, kick to the right, boom, and go to the left, 1, and 2, and 3, down and stall, kick, back up to the pinwheel, split the time, turn left, overhand weave, turn right to underhand weave, turn left to pinwheel, down into overhand weave, make it a giant, turn right to underhand giant, step your left foot forward, turn right to overhand giant, step your left foot forward, and swivel in the counterclockwise swivel, and then back to your pinwheel, plane shift your pinwheel down, come into your corkscrew, and now go into your sprinkler, and we'll go 3rd time around, 4th time around. Now turn to the left, 360, back to the front, and sprinkler again. 2, 3, 4, and we'll turn left again, 360, sprinkler again, 2 times, 1, and 2, turn all the way around. Now bring it up and spiral over your head, and then turn left into your overhand weave. I think that's a great pattern. So if you're in your, I'm just mirroring you here. You should be in counterclockwise. If you just take your left hand, it can go big while the right one stays small, just like the right hand can go big while the left one goes small. And then you can just alternate which one you're going big with. And then you can also make it look like this, where they're in together time and one is doing big while the other one isn't doing big. It's just a variation on what you already do, really. And then what you could do is a series, right, where you go, say, okay, so if you're in together time like this, you can do neither of them big, then you can do your left hand big, your right hand big, both big, both small. Left hand big, right hand big, both big, both small. Left hand big, right hand big, both big, both small. Left hand big, right hand big, both big, both small. Left hand big, right hand big, both big, both small. Let's just put that little combo into play here. So you're here, you're in your overhand weave. We're going to turn to underhand weave. Turn left to counterclockwise pinwheel. Now sync it up, and then we're going to go left hand big, right hand big, both big, both small. Left hand big, right hand big, both big, both small. Left hand big, right hand big, both big. Now move to the right, both big again, and now down and kick and stall to the right, and both big to the left, moving left, and 2, and 3, and down and kick to the left, back to counterclockwise, turn left to overhand weave, turn right to underhand weave, turn up to the pinwheel, turn left to overhand weave, open it up, double stall between your legs, sweep over the top, come out in clockwise pinwheel, clockwise chasing the sun, come up to the pinwheel, split the time, turn right to overhand weave, turn left to underhand weave, and now we'll just fountain.